Hello everyone, I'm Layman with MI Windows Indoors and welcome to another episode of Know Your Window. Today we are going to talk about one of our most popular product lines, the 3540 series, which is used primarily in new construction home builds as well as in low-rise multifamily applications. This product's versatility and structural performance makes it the ideal choice for projects that require higher design pressure ratings. What makes this product unique is the ability to get the window with the floor to front flange, which is different than your typical nailing fin frame, allowing the 3540 to be installed in masonry block and stucco applications, which is primarily used in new home construction in Florida. But don't think that this window is limited to just the Sunshine State. With multiple frame types available, the 3540 can be used anywhere. The MI 3540 series is a new construction window that features a stylish beveled exterior profile, reinforced sash styles for enhanced performance, and is available in multiple color options. From the three extruded colors, the 3540 comes in white, almond, and clay, both inside and out. Exterior laminates are available in either the black with the white interior shown here, or bronze with white interior, giving you a wide range of custom looks to meet the current design trends. As I mentioned in the introduction, the 3540 has several frame types available depending on installation application. The new construction frame comes with a 1-inch setback integral nailing fin or a 1/2-inch floor to front flange for stucco and masonry block applications. Like all MI products, we offer a variety of energy efficient glass options for the 3540, depending upon what part of the country you are in. For the North and Midwest, we offer low E and argon, and in the South, high performance low E and argon. Or the Cardinal 340 glass is available, which offers low solar heat gain and visible light transmittance, ideal for windows close to the ocean. Optional privacy glass packages are available, such as rain or obscure glass, perfect for a bathroom window or front door side light. Finally, there are glass packages designed for isolating outside noise, such as offset glass or laminated glass. The MI 3540 is componentized, making it ideal for builders, framers, and installers in the field. The first componentized feature is the way we glaze in the top glass, making it very easy to replace in the field should damage occur. So if you're working on the second or third floor and you need to replace the glass, it comes out on the inside, making it more convenient and, more importantly, safer to change out. The meeting rail is removable, making it sheetrock and drywall pass-through ready. Simply take out your top glass and bottom sash. There are 3 screws on the end caps on either side that will remove the meeting rail. Once the rail is removed, you can then pass through all kinds of building material. The sill is a snap-in, so should any damage occur to the sill while passing material through, or maybe a sash closes on an extension cord and cracks the sill, all you need to do is use a tool to score the sill piece and pull it off. Another great benefit there is, if the product is already bricked, you no longer have to replace the entire window, just the snap-in sill, saving you time and money. The balances that allow the sash to travel up and down are designed for safe sash cleaning. As you can see here, when you tilt in the product, the sash does not come out of cam at 90 degrees. The stainless steel coils are protected from dirt, dust, and construction debris, and they are adjustable. Say for instance you had a drifting sash, pop it in the box, turn the screw, and spread the box out, which causes more friction, tightening up the balance. The locks, keepers, and tilt latches on the product are all low profile and surface mounted. We want you to see the view, not all the parts and pieces that make up the window. At MI, we use opposing locks, so you lock yourself in for a uniform seal in the center. The MI 3540 is available in a wide range of sizes and configurations, including the popular Florida size 2.5 window with a net size of 36 by 62. Continuous head and sill twins and triples are reinforced, adding to the durability and offer many mulling and stacking configurations. We also offer many complementary products as well, such as fixed window, horizontal slider, casement or awning, sliding glass door, and specialty shapes. In Florida, the 3540 is paired with either our aluminum 400 or vinyl 910 series sliding glass door. Outside of the South, the 3540 is paired with our 910 and our 1615 or 1617 sliding glass door series. The 3540 is available now for your next new build or project. For more information or ordering options, please contact your local MI representative or authorized MI dealer. I certainly hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, I'll see you on the other side of the glass.